What's up everybody, Brian here with Attention to Details, Kenny behind the camera. In our last video where we're talking about winter prep and getting your car ready, unfortunately some people have cars that's got to sit outside and stuff like that, and we talk about the leaf buildup. Here's a prime example that we can show you guys on a car that we're getting ready to do a full detail on today. 2017 Camry. This guy's vehicle unfortunately has to be left outside, so we're going to put a nice coating on it for him. But this is what we're talking about. How all this jams, and most people don't get this stuff out, and then it starts clogging this up, and there's ports where your water sport's supposed to run down, and unfortunately it clogs and it's going to get its way. And I'm going to show you the back trunk area because it's already kind of starting, but we're going to take care of it. Now unfortunately I've got some of this stuff gone in here, and got this kind of stuff here, but if you want to bring the camera up here, this has been in here for a while. It's all wet and grinded down inside. So when the water comes down, it starts to stain glass. It tears up your paint in here. The water can't go anywhere and run out where it's starting. And these jackets here, water runs down, but see how it's already getting clogged up in here? So we're gonna clean all that out when we do it. So I just wanted to show you guys this, and we'll show you more on it later. The 2023 Denali GMC diesel's getting ready to leave today. Full wrap, come out amazing. So that's getting ready to pick up, and I'll show you something inside here. We have a 2016 Hellcat, beautiful condition. So we got it all prepped and ready, and we're doing a full frontal with Xpel Fusion on it. Front bumpers left. Lucid today, all we got left is the rear trunk part to do and the front hood, and then which is fully wrapped in Xpel Fusion. And then we've got to go into the rims and in the interior. There's a lot more left on this car, but it's coming out great, and we're going to shoot a video on this later of doing the hood and stuff. We have the Tesla over here, which we've already wrapped, and it just come back to us because we got Jose over here doing some custom seat skins, changing it all. So this is one that he's already got done here. He's just putting it back together, but this is how the car come. So we do all this stuff here, guys. So real leather, vegan leather, quality is just insane with this stuff here. So all this will start to fade out as well because we're just putting it together. It's got to stretch. He's already got the back seats done and installed, but this is some of the custom work that Jose does and that we pull off here as well. But that's what's going on here today, guys. We'll have more soon. Just finished up with the 2016 Hellcat. Pretty cool car. Full frontal, complete with Xpel Fusion with the built-in ceramic coating. Jose is just getting ready to put the emblems back on. Full wrapped edges on the hood. All grill areas were tucked out. Everything's tucked and wrapped all underneath. Front bumper and so forth. And this car will be coming back in the spring, and he wants to fully wrap the rest of it. So we'll have a part 2 on this one. The Tesla's leaving today as well. That's a full wrap with Xpel Fusion and the custom seats. Looked really good. So, and we got some photos that's going to be Kenny Tuck as well. That's going to be included in this video to see that. Lucid, all we got left is some Xpel inside and the front hood. It is totally wrapped one piece, the whole deck lid area around the spoiler. It's usually a 2-piece with the kit, which is good, but I don't like to see any seams, so the guys knocked that out today. And then we have a lot more cars coming in, guys. We have the new Bronco Raptor coming in for a full wrap. We have a 2017 Ford F-150 Raptor coming in for a full wrap. We have the new Mazda Miata RF coming in for a full wrap. We have a couple more Teslas for partials, and some Toyota Venza, I believe what they call, we're doing that as well. We have a Ford F-150 trimmer coming in. You've seen videos on that one before, but now we're finishing it off. So we just have the back bed sides and the front fenders, and that truck will be completely protected. We have the new Cadillac Escalade coming in for a full wrap as well. And I know I'm forgetting much. We've just been getting knocked out with the Xpel jobs, which we're humble and grateful for. So check out our website. We have a lot of new updates on that as well. Give us a shout at 219-628-0288. If anything you guys need, let's start getting your cars prepped and ready for the winter. Speaking of that, walk right here. This is the car that we showed you earlier in this video, Kenny, which will be on this video when he releases it today. This car is ready to go out the door. We got rid of all the leaves and crap, interior, then polished with a polymer sealant, the level this customer wanted to go with, and now he's good to get himself through the winter months and keep all that nasty crap off. But that's it for today, guys. Have an awesome weekend. I know it's a little bit rainy, but it's beautiful weather. Enjoy it, because before you know it, it's going to be over. For now, guys, love and happiness. Peace.